Greetings. I just wanted to take just a few minutes to look at the timeline and the due dates for the course assignments in Nursing 792. As a reminder, I would like to meet with you that first week. So if you could please reach out to me and let me know your availability, and I can send you a Zoom invite. The DNP Advanced Scholarly Project draft is due relatively early in the term, and that is February 1st. That draft will come to myself as your chair. You'll respond to my feedback and then move the draft to your second committee member, respond to feedback, and then move the draft to your third committee member. The final project is due March 21st. You must have 1,000 practicum hours completed by April 1st, so you will need to submit Form A on or before April 21st. Please do remember to submit this form also to the DNP portfolio. The DNP Advanced Scholarly Project Defense. Two team members will take place on April 4th and April 9th. Again, please do confirm that your committee members are still available on the date of your defense. Form F, as well as the student and preceptor evaluation, is due at the end of the term on May 2nd. As across all the Advanced Scholarly Project courses, communication is important, as well as adherence to the due dates. When we move back to the Start Here tab, please note that there is a tab titled Rubrics. This is where you will find the rubric relative to the draft for chapters 1 through 3, as well as the final paper. The rubric for the presentation can also be found here. We would like you to use the presentation PowerPoint template that is provided to you as we have done in the past. You should, at this point, of course, be using the DNP project template for your project, but as a courtesy, we have included it here again. The DNP Advanced Nursing Project Guidelines. Those guidelines have been provided to you in the past. We have included some tips for success that I would encourage you to review prior to the presentation, as well as some good tips for presenting. There is an example defense of a DNP project here. Within this course, there are also links, should you need them, for academic resources, other McKendree offices, and more. Each of the assignments can be submitted in the assignment link, and the assignment link does include due dates for those assignments that should coincide with what you see on the timeline. So again, your draft is due relatively early this term. The other assignments, due dates come a little bit later, but if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. This term will move quickly, and it is such an exciting time, and I look forward to working with you. Again, please reach out to me so we can talk early at the start of the spring term. All right, thank you so much.